The gossip is live! Emeka, my good friend, do you want to know the best and simplest way to connect your OKX wallet to your MEMEFI easily?
Yes, ma'am.
Then watch this video step by step. Let's begin. To begin, you have to go to your OKX wallet. Copy your wallet phrase. So to get your wallet phrase, this is where you will go. So first of all, you click here. Alright, so then you click removing, then go to backup. And you want to click here. That is the wallet they have already created in your OKX. So you are going to get their seed phrase, so I can import it in your Telegram OKX wallet as well, so I can get it there. It will be easier. So we get there, and you want to click this. Okay. They say this, I understand security tips them I need to know. Understand. Okay, click back up. Then what you have to do is, when you just click on this eyeball and the seed phrase will open, so you copy, you write it down. When you finish writing it down, we now move to our MEMEFI, sorry, Telegram rather. So when you open your Telegram, first of all you have to make sure you go back and open your VPN, connect your VPN, which I have connected my, also connected to either France or Spain. They will enable you to do that accurately. So you now connect your VPN, then afterward we move back to the Telegram OKX wallet. Then you click on the OKX wallet bot. Look at it. This one. Okay. So we click that. I did mine already. So what you have to do is just open the wallet. At this point, before you open, because I opened my wallet already. Before you do that, you have to add wallet. So you have to import a wallet. Make sure you import a wallet. So when you enter import, you are going to put your 12 phrase here that you copied out. So after that you confirm, then you get your wallet. So when you get your wallet, now what we have to do next is to go to MEMEFI. So you can minimize it here. Then we go to MEMEFI and click on the task. Okay, so then check. Okay, you now send us back to the Telegram OKX wallet, where we do the connection. So then you confirm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, the transaction sent. So the task is being completed. Then return to the game. It's that simple, without going stressing yourself too much, because some people are having issues linking it to their OKX app. So instead you can use the OKX bot wallet bot in the Telegram. It is more faster and more easier if the app is giving you issues. So that is that. Until next time. If you really want to make money in Web3, I think there might be a need for you to subscribe to this channel and join my WhatsApp community, so you can get latest update on how to make money in Web3. And if you have any question or you have any comment, put it down in the comment box. I'll get to it. Until next time, stay in check through my gossip.